2019 Mercedes A220, rear window, brake light removal. Need a hook like this. Like to use these, and a bone. Have this off. Okay, I'm going to use a hook and pull these little slides out on each side. Try and get a close up of it. There, right here on the side there, you stick a hook in the little hole and pull it straight out on each side.
Even they don't have names on here.
Yeah, it's a new dryer sheet it. Once you pop the little slides out, brake light should come right off.
Dennison is putting a 5-minute briefing tonight.
Little plug right there.
30-minute break.
Look like, just like the older ones. Push it back in when you install it to lock it back on.